Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator with Binance. First, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Then, log into your Binance account using a web browser. Once logged in, find the security settings within your profile. This is where we'll begin the two-factor authentication setup process to enhance your account's protection. It's a crucial step for safeguarding your digital assets. Next, within your Binance security settings, choose the option to enable Google Authenticator. You'll see a QR code appear on your screen. Open the Authenticator app on your phone and scan this QR code. If scanning isn't possible, you can manually enter the provided setup key into the app. This action links your Binance account to the Authenticator app, generating time-sensitive verification codes. It's vital to save the backup key that Binance provides. Store it securely and privately, as this key is your only way to regain access if you lose your phone or the Authenticator app. After saving the key, enter the current 6-digit code from your Google Authenticator app into the designated field on Binance. This confirms the setup and activates two-factor authentication. Finally, confirm the setup on Binance to fully activate Google Authenticator. From now on, you'll use the 6-digit code from the app for logging in, withdrawing funds, and other sensitive actions. Remember to keep your backup key extremely safe and never share it. This extra layer of security significantly protects your Binance account from unauthorized access, giving you greater peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.